In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable the Adobe Acrobat Toolbar. So whether you're a regular user or someone who's just getting started with Adobe Acrobat, understanding how to navigate the toolbar is essential for maximizing your productivity and efficiency. So let's dive right in and get that toolbar up and running for you. First, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. If you're already familiar with this, you're off to a good start, but if not, simply locate the Adobe Acrobat icon on your desktop or find it in your list of programs. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted with the familiar interface that houses all the tools you need for managing your PDFs. Now, pay attention to the top menu of the Adobe Acrobat window. This is where you'll find most of the options you'll need for various tasks, including enabling the toolbar. Here, you'll want to click on the View option. The View menu is your gateway to customizing how you interact with your documents, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with what it offers. Once you click View, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, hover over Show/Hide. This section is particularly useful because it allows you to control which items are visible in your workspace, ensuring that you only see what you need to see. Under Show Hide, look for Toolbar items. This is where you'll find all the different toolbars available for you to enable or disable. Now, it's time to choose the toolbar you want to enable. You'll see options like File, Edit, Comment, and Page Display, among others. Each of these toolbars serves a distinct purpose. For example, the File toolbar is useful for opening and saving documents, while the Edit toolbar allows you to make changes to your PDF content. The Comment toolbar is perfect for when you need to annotate or review documents, and Page Display helps you adjust how the pages are viewed and navigated. Select the toolbar that best suits your current needs by simply clicking on it. After selecting your desired toolbar, you'll notice it appears at the top of your Acrobat window. This makes it readily accessible for you to use while working on your documents. Having the right toolbars visible can significantly enhance your workflow, saving you time and unnecessary clicks. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully enabled the Adobe Acrobat toolbar, making it easier for you to access the tools you need. Remember, you can always go back and adjust which toolbars are visible depending on your changing needs. This flexibility is one of the many features that make Adobe Acrobat a powerful tool for managing PDFs. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other videos in our series for more tips and tricks on using Adobe Acrobat and other software tools. Thanks for watching and happy PDF editing.